How to see someone's repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to see someone's repost on TikTok. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch TikTok app on your device. Ensure to sign into your account. And once you're on the home screen of TikTok, you have to locate the TikTok account where you want to see the someone's repost on TikTok. Suppose if this is the profile that I want to check your repost on TikTok, you have to tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now on this profile section, next to the 6 lines, you will see the arrow-like icon at the right corner of the screen. Simply you have to tap on it, and these are all the repost videos that they have done on TikTok. Remember that it is not possible to see everyone's repost on TikTok because they might have set their repost settings to private. So if they have set the repost option to public, then only you will be check their repost on TikTok and see each video that they have reposted on TikTok. So if you see the sign like upward and downward arrow, then this is the sign of the repost. Like, let's see another profile and go to the profile. And next to the icon, there is no any upward and downward arrow. That means they have hidden their repost videos on TikTok. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and thank you for watching.